In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can create a heat map in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some sales data of some employees and their quarterly sales. And if you want to create a heat map, you just need to select the data. We are selecting this data and then just go to Home tab. Here is an option which is conditional formatting. Click there and there is an option which is color scale. There are several templates here for colors. You can select first of them and you can also select second, third or any of them. We are going to select first of them. Here you can see that the red mark indicates that the lower numbers of sales and the green mark indicates the higher number of sales. On the other hand, the yellow mark indicates the average number of sales. We also can customize this color. For this you just need to select any cell and then go to conditional format and manage roles. Here you can see edit roles. Click there and there is some format style. You can use 2 colors scale or 3 color scale, any of them, and you can also change the color tune. Here we are selecting this color and selecting red and then click OK, then apply. You can see that the lower numbers of sales are indicating red mark and you can easily visualize the total sales and the salesman quarterly sales easily. Hope that you get your answer. Thank you for watching the video.